Welcome to Group 6 final presentation. We'll be discussing the hottest topic in the market, which is artificial intelligence and that into the AI integration into Microsoft Office 365. First question pops up is what is AI? Um, and it has been discussed over years and it's not new to us, but what makes it different right now is the way the machine learning has been evolved and customized to the user's interface. Um, that's what makes it more unique in 2023. The next question would be, how does AI work? Um, Previously, the AI was only dependent on machine learning and using certain algorithms or certain words, which the machine understood. But right now, as the technology progressed, it's using neural network, which is inspired with the human brain structure, which in turn processes data in layers to the input provided by the user, which also in turn provides deep learning experience. It also understands more natural language processing so that every common man can use that technology and doesn't need to rely on any specific person. And the final question would be, why is it important? At this point in time, where efficiency and automation is pinnacle in cost-saving measures, AI will be a more significant approach to be more towards that progress. And more evolving and gathering more data, it helps us to access data and solving more complex problems. Slide. So this is the the overall timeline for how the AI was evolved, starting from 1956 till 1966, how various efforts were made on machine learning platforms. Until recently, it was more upgraded to user interface platforms in 2023. So what makes AI more intrinsic to Microsoft Office 365? We all know Microsoft has invested a lot in evolving in artificial intelligence today, which makes it more commodable to a certain extent because Microsoft has an inbuilt applications or programs in each and every computer and each and every user platforms, which makes it more helpful or more reachable to the new or um, newer user or new companies without any specific training needed. Um, how it has done, how Microsoft has done would be the next question. So Microsoft has integrated AI, which is created an automation, content creation and analysis methods and other factors. Like there are a lot of factors that is more helpful, but we'll concentrate on a couple of more important technology-based improvements through AI. The first is complexity, which is data management. In today's, the biggest problem is how to analyze data and how to get a more meaningful results from all the terabyte or billion terabyte data that every company is gathering today. So AI gives any user interface the custom approach to gather the data which is needed by the user, um, which is more helpful and more time consuming, uh, which will decrease all the time consuming efforts. Tactic knowledge, uh, like as I mentioned, like it helps in learning the user and what it needs every second, whatever the option that the user chooses. System interdependence. So this is the biggest advantage for Microsoft. They can integrate with their wide variety of applications right from Office 365 to cloud-based performance systems and the Power BI. Like uh, with their Office products, which will make everyone more efficient. Like for me, being an engineer, I can less spend time on making presentations and focus more on my research-oriented goals. Um, the other close competitor what we have is Google's Brad, which has a more cloud-based uh, operating systems, which makes Microsoft 365 exclusive for people who are operating on non-cloud-based platforms, which has a um, more platforms or more network in today's world. Legal protection, Microsoft is well protected with all their work and their investments with put into AI.
Looking at Microsoft 365 AI's IP strategy, currently Microsoft AI's current IP strategy is not publicly disclosed. Microsoft as a whole has a well-known IP strategy that includes protecting its innovations through patents, copyrights, and trademarks. This strategy seems to be effective given their success and longevity in the tech industry, and it also has helped them avoid costly IP litigation and maintain a competitive edge in the tech market. It's important for any company, including Microsoft, to regularly review and adjust its IP strategy as needed to increase the trajectory into the future. Microsoft's Shared Innovation Initiative. It is based on a set of principles designed to address co-created technology and intellectual property issues that giving customers clarity and confidence regarding their work with Microsoft. The initiative is designed to strike a healthy balance that will both help our customers grow their businesses through technology and enable Microsoft to continue to improve its platform products.
Thank you, Mary. Moving on to IP strategy. So Microsoft has three strategic endeavors that you see on the screen here. Respect for ownership of the existing technology, and then also making sure customer ownership of the new patents or design rights stick with their clients, and then support for open source of both technology and software. So respect for ownership of existing technology is we each own the existing technology as customers and IP that we bring to the table and we partner together. And as we work with the customers, we'll ensure that similarly we'll each own the improvements that made to those respective technologies, and that results from a collaboration. The co-creation of this new technology in the world today seldom starts from scratch. At Microsoft, they bring the existing products, IP expertise to the customers to do the same thing, often reflecting its world-leading expertise in a particular field. Its ability to co-create relies on both companies respecting each other's IP. So on here, you'll see licensing back to Microsoft, portability and transparency with clarity, as well as learning and improvement are also additional indicators of IP strategy. So Microsoft will receive a license back to any of the patents and design rights in the new technology. This results from the shared innovation, but that license also will be limited to improving the platform technologies. For this purpose, the Microsoft platforms include existing and future versions of Azure services, which are cognitive services, Office 365, Windows, Dynamics, Enterprise Mobility Management, Cortana, Bing, Xbox, Copilot, and others. So in summary, Microsoft 365 AI and its range of applications are connected to this AI assistant, which can automate tasks and create content. The aim of Microsoft 365 AI is automating tasks such as drafting emails or creating a slideshow, potentially saving users time and bolstering productivity. Thank you.